Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect AnyDesk Mobile to mobile. Firstly, open your Android device, then open the Google Play Store. Search for AnyDesk, then tap Install and wait for installation. Open the menu from your device's app menu. Now, you can connect Android and iOS mobile to mobile using AnyDesk. From Android to iOS, open AnyDesk on your Android. Ask the iOS user to open AnyDesk and then share your address code. Now enter this code into your remote address field on Android, then tap Connect. The iOS user will get a request prompt. They must tap Accept, and you can now view and, if supported, control the iOS device. Just note that some mobile devices may require an extra plugin, which is AD1 for full remote control. If control doesn't work, the manufacturer may not support it. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe for more.